6 Best Car Dusters. Dirt, pollen and debris cake onto the paint of your car easily. It's unavoidable. You keep a microfiber cloth and quick detailer in the trunk just for this. However, that's not necessary with a good car duster. We rounded up the best car dusters so you don't have to try them all. These products lift all light dust, dirt and the like easily, so you can quickly keep your car looking top-notch. 1. OCM Classic Car Duster. The OCM Classic Car Duster is a winner. It features a large duster head with cotton bristles that don't leave any swirl mark scratches on your paint's finish. It feels like a quality, heavy-duty duster at that worth every penny of its price with a solid wood handle, too, making it the ultimate car duster. I'll quit writing now because this product is exactly what you want a car duster to do. Getting rid of car dust, and does it well. 2. Original California Car Duster. For a couple dollars less than our best pick, you can get a superb car duster and more. The California Car Duster Kit actually comes with a smaller car duster as well. Or, you can look at it as 2 car dusters for the price, one to cover 2 cars without mixing a tool. Just like our top ultimate car duster pick, this California Duster combo picks up car dust incredibly well, but the California Car Duster feels slightly less premium. 3. Relentless Drive Car Duster. This car duster could have been our overall best car dusters pick, but we wanted something specifically for those shopping for a duster with a telescoping handle. Relentless Drive's car duster features a microfiber duster head with super soft bristles to wipe away car dust and debris, and the extendable duster handle really helps make this tool extra functional. We dig this microfiber car duster a lot. 4. BZCZH Car Duster Kit. Chalk this one up to cheap Amazon products, but you know what? It gets the job done. The exterior car duster is perfectly fine for the price if you can't splurge for something more premium like the OCM or California Duster above. It's not clear if it'll last nearly as long as the big-name ultra-premium car duster brands, but it does come with a couple other products as well for car cleaning. 5. Barrett-Jackson Microfiber Duster and Detail Brush. What sets this duster apart from others on this list is that it includes a detailing brush that's great for small, hard-to-reach spots, such as your vehicle's vents. The duster can be used on the dashboard, center console, cup holders, door handles, small crevices, and other areas in your car or truck that are covered in dust, pollen, and other contaminants. The microfiber material won't scratch the surface area or leave lint behind. It's less than a foot long and features an ergonomic handle, which makes it comfortable and easy to hold. You can also put it in the washing machine to clean it. 6. The best exterior car duster. The California Car Duster is the top pick if you're looking to focus primarily on your car's exterior. The wooden handle is long and strong, while the head is made from paraffin-baked cotton strands that function as a built-in wax treatment every time you dust. It's a bit of a pain to store, and some reviewers say it leaves some lint when first used. But for dark-colored or classic cars that attract dust, most agree that the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. This option is scratch-resistant, and the large size helps you reach every inch of your car without too much hassle.